How do we measure species evenness in an ecosystem? Imagine walking through a forest and seeing dozens of different animals and plants. But are they all equally common? That's what species evenness helps us understand. It's a way to see how balanced the populations are among the different species in an ecosystem. If one species is super common and others are rare, the ecosystem has low evenness. If all species have similar numbers, it has high evenness. To figure this out, ecologists look at how many individuals of each species there are. They don't just count how many species are present, but also how those individuals are spread out. For example, if 10 species are in an area but 9 are very rare and 1 is very common, the evenness is low. But if all 10 species have about the same number of individuals, the evenness is high. Scientists use special mathematical tools called indices to measure this. One popular index is the Shannon Diversity Index. It combines how many species there are with how evenly the individuals are spread. From this, they calculate Pielou's Evenness Index. This index takes the Shannon diversity and divides it by the maximum possible diversity if all species had equal numbers. The result is a number between 0 and 1. A value close to 1 means the species are evenly distributed, while a number near 0 shows uneven populations. Why does this matter? High evenness suggests the ecosystem is stable and healthy because no single species dominates. When one species takes over, it can cause problems for other species and reduce overall health. Low evenness might mean something is off, like invasive species taking over or habitat loss affecting certain populations. Ecologists use measurements of species evenness to monitor ecosystems over time. It helps them see if conservation efforts are working or if a habitat needs help. Restoring a habitat often involves making sure no single species becomes too dominant. That way, the ecosystem stays balanced and resilient. Getting accurate data on species evenness means detailed surveys. Researchers count how many individuals of each species are present, which can take time and resources. They then analyze this data with the indices to get a clear picture of how balanced the community is. In short, measuring species evenness involves looking at how individuals are shared among species. Using indices like Pielou's Evenness helps us understand the health of ecosystems and guides conservation efforts. It's a key part of understanding biodiversity and keeping our natural world thriving.